አኮኩሉ ፋሚሊ የመረጃ የምክርና የአውታረ መረብ መድረክ ነው። ለእናንተ ጠቃሚ የሆኑ መረጃዎችን በጤና፣ በትምህርት፣ በንግድና በተለያዩ የማህበራዊ ጉዳዮች ይዘላችሁ። The couple sued the USCIS for the denial of green card. This green card was denied by USCIS because Mr. Robert used two marriages, the prior marriage and the current marriage, to obtain a green card. He's currently married to a citizen who filed on his behalf for a green card, I-130. But now USCIS is saying that based on the Congressional, Procedural Act, USCIS is denying Mr. Roberts a green card through marriage. If the previous marriage was found to be fraud, now, based on the Congressional procedure, the second marriage, even though it is true or genuine, then he will not be allowed to get a green card through this marriage. The previous marriage was entered by his ex-wife and him to obtain a green card for a payment of $10,000 by Mr. Robert. The young lady, she lived with him for a brief moment, and then she did not like the fact that it's fake. So she wanted to exit the marriage, but he threatened her that he would expose her dark secrets and he would kill her or her family. Because of that, she confessed to USCIS that she's got into this fake marriage because of his threatening her. This confession was used against Mr. Robert to deny him of any green card. Before the denial decision came, Mr. Robert withdrew his green card application, but his ex-wife did not. While that case was pending in USCIS case, Mr. Robert filed another green card case with the second marriage, with whom he lived in Florida, but he did not live with the second wife quite enough, up to 6 months, based on the state's law, to file for green card. These two additional cases helped USCIS to conclude that Mr. Robert was trying to get a green card through marriage. Eventually, he came to the United States in 2005 through F1 student visa, and then he got into these two marriages trying to obtain a green card. On their behalf, their lawyers said that the couples are genuinely married. This is a genuine marriage, and they would like to get all the documents, filed. In this case, these documents were found, were obtained during the prior marriage wife's investigation, her confession, USCIS conclusion. In case that document could be found and included in this trial, but the trial was denied. Their request for a retrial, their request to get a case review was denied by the court because the court supported USCIS for the fact that Mr. Robert got into 2 fake marriages. And finally, he also tried his ex-wife to withdraw her confession after the court denied him on a second case. This concluded the case for now, but there is always a possibility of appeal in the future. I'll put the link in the YouTube comment for your reading pleasure. Good luck. ዌብሳይታችንን አኮልኩሉ ፋሚሊ.com ይጎብኙ። በሶሻል ሚዲያም ተከተሉን። አኮልኩሉ ፋሚሊ